Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up direct deposits on Gusto. Now it's going to be a really quick one, so we're not going to waste much time on this topic. Just going to give you a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. The first step is going to be to log into your Gusto employee account. So head to gusto.com and log in. And once you're in, you're going to go to your profile from the dashboard. Step 2, find the payment method section. Now scroll down until you see the payment method, and then you're going to click edit or add bank accounts, depending of course on your setup. Step 3, enter your bank details. Now you will need your bank name, account number, and routing number, so make sure everything is accurate to avoid delays. Step 4, choose direct deposit as your preferred method. Now you're going to select direct deposits and confirm your bank information. Step 5, verify. Now some banks may require verification, like confirming a small deposit. Now if Gusto asks you to verify, just follow the instruction because it's really quick and easy. Once you're all set, your next paycheck will be deposited directly into your bank account. Stick around, we're covering how to view your pay subs in the Gusto next. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.